Hi everybody! In this video, you'll take a quiz to check your knowledge on using its with or without an apostrophe. For teachers and students, I've included a worksheet in the description below to use along with this video. Before taking the quiz in this video, I'd recommend that you watch my video called Its or Its that explains when to use the apostrophe in its and gives memory tricks to help you remember what you learned. So let's get started on the quiz. You have 5 questions. Fill in each blank using its with an apostrophe or without one to complete the sentences. Pause the video while you work and we'll check the answers in a moment. Sentence number 1. It's hungry now. So in this sentence, does it's need an apostrophe or not? Remember, in the other video we reviewed that it's with an apostrophe means it is or it has, and it's with no apostrophe shows the owner, like his or her, except when the owner is a thing. I also explained the 2-word test. Let's try the 2-word test to figure out the answer to this sentence. So, in the 2-word test, we try to use it is in the blank. Let's try it. It is hungry now. Does it is make sense if we're talking about the fish? Yes. In this sentence, it is makes sense. That means that we need to use the apostrophe because we know that its stands for it is. Sentence 2. Its colors are yellow, blue, and red. First, let's do the 2-word test. It is colors are yellow, blue, and red. Does that make sense? No, it doesn't. Okay, so let's try it has. It has colors are yellow, blue, and red. Does that make sense? No, that doesn't make sense either. So, that means that we do not need the apostrophe in its because in this case, its shows the owner and does not stand for it is or it has. Sentence 3. It's swimming in the ocean. Let's do the 2-word test for this one. It is swimming in the ocean. Does that make sense? Yes, it does make sense. So, we know that we need the apostrophe because it stands for it is in this sentence. Sentence 4. It's been resting for several minutes. Let's try it is. It has been resting for several minutes. Does that make sense? No, it doesn't. Let's try it has. It has been resting for several minutes. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. That means that we need the apostrophe in this sentence because in this case, it stands for it has. Sentence 5. Its eyes are very small. First, let's do the 2-word test. It is eyes are very small. Does that make sense? No, it doesn't. Okay, so let's try it has. It has eyes are very small. Does that make sense? No, that doesn't make sense either. So, that means that we do not need the apostrophe in its because in this case, it shows the owner and does not stand for it is or it has. Thanks for watching.